What if the next 10 minutes could change your English forever? Not textbook English. Not grammar exam English. Real English. The kind you actually use. Because, let's be honest, you understand more than you can say. You already know grammar. You recognize vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, your mind freezes. That ends today. For the next 10 minutes, I want you to train, not study. Rule number 1. Do not translate. Rule number 2. Answer out loud. Rule number 3. Don't pause the video. Ready? Let's go. Why you're stuck. Most learners don't have a vocabulary problem. They have a hesitation problem. You learned English like information, but English is a skill. Watching English videos without speaking is like watching workout videos without exercising. Today, we train. Fluent speakers don't think about grammar when they talk. They think in ideas. Your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is fast ideas. If you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let's take a mini quiz. Say this in English. I'm thinking about changing jobs. Say it out loud. Good. Fluency grows in the mouth, not in the head. Let's learn some power phrases. Repeat these out loud. It depends. That makes sense. I'm not sure yet. I didn't expect that. What do you mean? Now, your friend explains why they were late, and it sounds logical. What do you say? That makes sense. Someone asks if you want to move to another country. What do you say? It depends. Simple. Powerful. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Let's learn a quick fact. Did you know the 100 most common English words make up about 50% of daily conversation? You don't need more words. You need faster access to those words. Stop translating. Answer immediately. What did you do yesterday? Answer now. What are you trying to improve right now? Answer now. Who do you talk to the most during the week? Answer now. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is speed plus confidence. Let's take another mini quiz. Correct this sentence. You got it. It is she has a lot of responsibilities. Now, correct this one. You're right. We don't say, I am agree. We just say, I agree. Small corrections make big improvements. Sounding natural. Make this sound more natural. I like it. I really like it. I actually really like it. Make this sound more natural. It's difficult. It's pretty difficult. It's harder than I thought. Make this sound more natural. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm really tired today. That's how you sound real and natural. Let's do a 30-second challenge. Describe your day out loud in 3 sentences. No stopping. Ready? Go. Growth feels uncomfortable. That's good. Here's a true fact. If you wait to feel ready, you'll never speak. Confidence comes after action, not before. 20 minutes a day changes your brain. 3 months from now, you could be a different speaker. But only if you continue. If you made it this far, comment, I'm ready, down below. Now, repeat this video and do your full 20 minutes for today. And tomorrow, do another 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos. Do you like the way I teach English? Check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit.